Choose a column that suits your needs in terms of thickness and length. Stuff some cotton down the column using a thin rod. If your column is very long, you can try using an air pump to suck the cotton down. Of course, this works better if you open the tap. Add some sand to level the surface of the cotton. Balance and uniformity are the key to a good separating column. Now, we shall prepare the solvent mixture. The paper we are working off of claims that the best separation for our particular mixture is achieved with a mixture of 90% hexane and 10% ethyl acetate. We'll simply pour 90 milliliters of hexane into a graduated cylinder and add ethyl acetate until we reach 100 milliliters. This is merely an example, and every case might need a different solvent mixture. Silica comes in different sizes and with different functional groups to suit our needs. The most commercially common silica is polar with OH functional groups. What we're doing now is called preparing a slurry. The benefit of a slurry is that by stirring it, we ensure that all of the silica was evenly and thoroughly exposed to the solvent. Dry areas in your silica could really mess up your separation. If we try to simply pour our slurry to the column, most of the silica will remain in the beaker. Pouring it with a circular motion, however, will prevent the silica from settling on the bottom and will allow for more silica to transfer into the column. We will use some clean solvent to wash down any silica stuck to the column walls. Let us demonstrate proper loading of a mixture as we did in the previous episode. We'll make sure to add it evenly over the column walls and let the column flow until the mixture is soaked in the silica. Another method for preparing a column is called dry packing. In the method, we're adding dry silica to the column. Tap the column gently and give it a nice shake so that the silica settles evenly. Place a beaker or an Erlenmeyer under the column and open the tap to allow any air to escape the column when we add the solvent. Use as much solvent as you need so that all the silica is properly soaked and no air bubbles are trapped. When the separation is finished, we will dry out the column and dispose of the silica to a marked container. Usually, we will also throw in the cotton and anything else that is covered in silica. If the silica gets stuck, connect the column to air pressure and open the tap. Be a good friend and empty your lab mate's column as well. It's important to establish those lab friendships early on for when your lab mates become rich and famous in the future. Good luck in the lab and have a pleasant separation.